My name's Nychy, Eyanna, for those who don't know me. And, ooh, it looks like I'm like shirtless. I swear I have a shirt on. But today I'm going to show you guys this wig that I bought from Shein. It's my first ever wig I've ever bought from this site. I've bought clothes from there plenty of times. Like this shirt is from Shein. But I've never bought a wig from there. And I ordered one and it came in. And I'm going to show you guys it. So let's get into it. So this is the wig. She is looking a little bit crazy right now because I did dye it, bleached it, and then I just let it air dry for 2 days. So she's looking a little crazy, but out the box she was fully black. I did try to dye it this paprika color, but it didn't really take it well. So then I tried to do a water bath method I'd never done before, and it didn't really look like it took the color. So after I did like the water bath method, I just slapped bleach all over it and it ended up lightening to this color. So I guess in a way it works, just not how you would normally dye hair, but it worked for me. So the inside of this, it is a full lace frontal. It is big head friendly. I'll already tell you guys that because I already put it on. I did cut the edges to fit my ear shape. It has the strap and the clip in the middle as well. I went through and bleached these knots twice and it did not take on the knots. I don't know why, but I did it twice. I don't know if you guys can see, but the knots are still there. But I'm going to try to hide it with some makeup, so it should be okay. So we're gonna go ahead and throw it on and try and style it because it's looking a hot mess right now. So I'm using some liquid foundation and I'm going to rub it on my hand first to kind of get it to disperse all over the bristles, and I'm just going to go on the inside of it and rub it all over. So hopefully it hides those knots a little bit because those knots are looking horrible. Okay, so I rubbed it in a little bit on the inside. That's good enough. And now we're going to throw her on. As you can see, it does cover all the way down to my sideburns on both sides, and I did cut it to fit my ear shape better, so that's why it looks like that. So I will already say that this is definitely big head friendly because it fits all the way and it doesn't feel very tight on my head. Let me fix the clip in the back. This is giving me like Ariel vibes a little bit with the green and this reddish color. Okay. So now we're going to try and lay it down and see if we need to do some plucking too, because I haven't even plucked any. I'm putting this got to be glue on the perimeter of my head where I'm going to lay it, and then before I lay it down I also take I also use this wig spray on top of the glue because I just feel like it adds a better hold. Oh, is it dripping? And then I just fan it before I put it on, so it gets a little tacky. Lucky for me, I have a big forehead, so I don't even worry about getting this glue on my hairline and ripping my edges out because I don't glue it to my hairline. I glue it to this giant forehead. So there's some good things about having a big forehead, I guess, you know? Okay, anyways, so once I feel like it's like kind of tacky enough, I just pull it down a little bit right there. And I'm gonna look in this mirror for this, so give me a second. So I already mapped out the baby hair, kind of. I'm gonna try and do this, the little like swoop baby hair type thing, because I don't really like super flat baby hairs that much. And I bought this new little straightener, so I want to try it out. But I'm going to go ahead and lay the perimeter so that way it stays. And then I will do that. Ooh. Trying to get behind it. And while it's setting too, I'll probably try and blow dry it a little because I feel like it's still a little bit damp underneath from air drying. Okay, I'm gonna take this broken hairbrush and a blow dryer and blow dry it out a little bit so that it's not still a little damp, because I'm going to straighten this and probably try it. Well, I'm actually gonna try and curl it because I got this new curling one too. So let's do that. While I'm waiting for this to finish setting, I'm gonna leave it on for a few more minutes. I will show you guys the back of the hair. Alright, I cut down these little swoops that I'm going to kind of curl up, but first I'm going to straighten the rest of the hair out to get some of the bumps out of it, and then I'm going to curl it with a curling iron, and then I will work on the rest of the baby hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and start straightening it really quickly. Curling of this is done. Here's how it's looking, and then I'm going to spray a little bit of this hair wax all over this to kind of hold the style just a little bit. So this kind of helps with that. It's got kind of a little wave to it, and then I'm going to take some more of this wax because I feel like I need more of it to help keep it. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Here's the little kind of swoosh that I did. And this is it. So my final review on this wig, I think it's a 10 out of 10, and for it being from Shein, I'm really shocked. I do like this wig a lot. I love that it's big head friendly, fits my head. It took the dye and the bleaching well. It's a good thickness. The only thing is I wish that I would have bleached the knots, I guess, more. I tried it twice and it didn't bleach them, but I don't know, maybe I'll go back in and try again. But I really like this hair, so if you guys like it too, I'll put it in the description box below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!